thing I want to do now is to change the color of this H1, H3 and all. This is what we are trying to do. So you want to change this color H1 and H3. This one is H3 and this one is H1. So like I said, in your CSS, anything you want to change their color, you have to select it in your HTML. So we are going to select the H1 and say H1 like this, and then we open it like that, and inside it, okay, so we are going to select the H1. So Adam, we are not selecting the anchor tag, we are selecting, this is what I said, that I want to change the color of this name. So which one are we selecting? It is the H1. So when we select the H1, what we are trying to do is we are trying to change the color. Now you can see that right now we are not trying to change the background color, we only want to change the color. So if you want to change the color, there's one thing you use, it's called color, like this, and you have to put that colon like this, and then you change the color to the color code. So let me just use red first and then close it, and if you see it, my name has been changed to red. But now that's not what I want to change it to. So let me go back to my color hunt and select this color. If I copy it, and then I'll come here and paste it there, and I said something, your hash must be always in front. So now I'll change it, and if I come back to my website, I've been able to change the color here. So now I just changed this color of the H1. So if I have H1 in it, you can see that every other thing is not changed, because this is the only H1 that I have. But let's assume I come here and change this one to H1, this favorite movies, and save it. You can see that immediately I changed it, it affected that thing. So that's one thing I'm telling you, that when you select one thing that has the same name, it's going to have the same style. That's it. So now, but because that's not what I want to do, so let me undo and change it back to H3, which is our favorite music. So I also want my H3 to have the same color. So I'm going to come here and select H3 and give it this same color. All I'll just do is copy and paste, and then save it. So when I do that, you can see all my H3 has that same color. And if I go to my contact.me, it's going to have that same color. Same thing as my hobbies, it's going to have that same color. So our website is looking better now. You understand? So we've been able to change the colors and the styles of our website right now. Link that is on Netlify. So currently my link is on Netlify. I can't even remember the link anymore, but then my link is on Netlify and it's not the same way. So I think the link is Abby. Okay, yeah, this is it. So this is the link, and this is the way my website is looking like. So I want to upload this, what I just did now, to this place, so that it can have the same style right now. So when I refresh this thing, it's going to have this style here. So I'm going to go to my GitHub right now to do that. So just watch how I'm going to update this Netlify page. So when I get to my GitHub, I'm going to go to that repository that I created, which is called portfolio. So I'm going to go to my profile. I'm going to go to my profile and look for repositories, and I'm going to look for that name, portfolio. So I'm going to do what? Add files. So I'm going to upload files right now. So you don't need to delete anything or change anything. Just come here, click on choose files, and go to where your code is. It's on the desktop, and I call this my personal website. So I'm going to click on my personal website, and I'm going to upload everything again. So I've selected everything, and I'm going to click on open. So it's going to upload everything for me. You can see. So now when it uploads everything, I'm going to call this version 2. You know, this one was version 1 before. Now this is version 2 now, and I'm going to commit the changes. All I need for my code is just to commit. So when it commits and you are done and you see here version 2, then you can come back to your page and refresh it to that link. So if I refresh, it's going to have that thing, but it's not having it. So what's happening? Okay, now it is there now. So you can see that I did not go to Netlify website to do anything. All I just need to do is if you update the contact.html, just upload what you updated and refresh that link, and it's going to have everything. So now you can see now I have version 2 of my website online now on the link. So you are only creating the link once. All you need to just do is update that code each time, and the link is going to be updated by itself. So that's what I want you to do as your assignment. Create this same page and update it and call it version 2. And when you do that, I should be seeing this link. Send this link to me. When you send this link to me, it should be this same way.